Hi friends, this is Tawanda Purdy, your Central Florida realtor. Welcome back to my channel, Pretty Homes with Purdy. We are in Deltona today for another tour of a fabulous home. This location right here is about 45 minutes from New Smyrna Beach, 40 minutes from downtown Orlando, and an hour from Disney, and about 12 minutes from Walmart, Home Depot, Target, all of your shopping plazas, along with a ton of restaurants. One of the things I love about Deltona is that they have a lot of great newer homes at a very affordable price. Today I'm gonna take you on a tour of this beautiful home. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around $350,000. No HOA, no CDD. So for those of you who don't like those regulations, this is perfect for you. Let's go take a look. So as you come into this house from the driveway, you have this long walking path here that's going to lead you to the front door. Now we're inside the house. You have a small entryway here. You have your coat closet here, and off to your right are your additional bedrooms. You have one bedroom here, one along here with your guest bathroom in between. You got your linen closet right here. And let's just take a look into the first bedroom. So in here, as you can see, look at all this natural light with the huge windows. You have some lighting at the top. You have your porcelain tile, a lot of neutral color paint, and of course you have a closet here for all of your belongings. All right, now we're gonna check out the guest bathroom. So in here, take a look. You got your quartz countertops, beautiful lighting, and beautiful tile here in the tub area with your window up there so you can ventilate the bathroom, whatever you need to do. And then right along here, you have your second bedroom. Now we're gonna walk into your main living area where you're gonna spend a lot of time with your family and such. Look at this open space along here. I mean, you could put your TV here or here, your couch along here. Everything's overlooking the kitchen. You have your large island here where you can set at least 8, maybe up to 10 bar stools if needed. But everyone's gathered in one room, so you can see you'll be spending a lot of time in this area here. So now leading into the kitchen, you have your pantry here and your washer and dryer area right in here. Now we're gonna go into your kitchen here where you have your large quartz island where you can sit up to 8 or 10 bar stools. You have your large cabinets, your farmhouse sink. You have all of your stainless steel Whirlpool appliances included. Just beautiful, enough space for all of your storage of anything and everything in this kitchen. Now we're gonna go into your dining room area. As you can see, everything is still connected. Everything is all together, but you can set up your dining room table, and if not, you can make this room into whatever you have but it's still right open with the rest of the room. Families all gathered together. And now we're gonna lead into your primary bedroom. In here, you have your recessed lighting. You have your natural light coming in from this huge window right along here. Just big, spacious primary, leading right into your his and her closets on opposite sides, right along here. And then straight down this hall here, you have your primary bathroom. You have your quartz countertops again, your dual vanities. You got a window behind you that you can open up, and you have this beautiful shower here with the tile going all the way up to the ceiling. It's just beautiful. If you choose to, you can add a door, but this is very spacious, just beautiful layout. Now we're gonna head out to the backyard. Now we're entering into your backyard area. As you can see, it is very spacious. There's enough room here to put a pool in. I would definitely put up a fence, a nice white vinyl fence surrounding the property. But as you can see, you got enough space to be creative. Do what you want. pool, you can grow vegetables and trees, whatever you like. Again, there's no HOA or CDD, no regulations, you're good to go. Just get the proper permits with Deltona and you're good. Now we're gonna go inside and go over the numbers. So this home qualifies for 0 down payment, 0 PMI, which is huge. So you're looking at an estimated monthly price of $2,200 a month, plus taxes and insurance. So if you're interested, give me a call, like and subscribe this video, and give me a call. I'd love to give you a tour and see if we can get you qualified to purchase this home. Have a nice day, everyone. Stay blessed. See you on the next video.